After uploading almost 2,500 designs to my shop, I left Redbubble on Autopilot for 1 year, and today I'm going to share with you the true passive income I made as a beginner while I was sleeping. So let's get started. Okay, this actually sounds very good, but what do we need to do to succeed in this marketplace? The most important thing you need to do is to design and upload. Design, upload, design, upload, design, upload. The good thing about Redbubble is that you can't lose any money because it's free to upload designs. The bad thing is that it's very saturated and Redbubble leaves you with a small amount of profit per sale. Also, Redbubble now has account tiers which determine how much money you're going to make per sale. My account is premium, so I make the same amount of money as before the addition of the account tiers. Basically, Redbubble ranks your account. If your account is standard, you're going to make less money than premium and pro accounts. It means that your designs aren't original enough or that you have a small number of designs and sales. If your account is premium, it means that your store is going in the right direction. And if you are a pro, then you are actually making big money on Redbubble. Let me tell you what I did. Redbubble allows us to upload up to 30 designs a day. Back then, when I opened my shop in August 2022, they allowed up to 60 designs a day, and I challenged myself to upload 60 designs a day to increase my chances of selling something. Uploading 60 designs is a very boring process, and it took me 2 hours a day to complete it. I did that for a month, and I saw that my store was starting to attract people. Then I uploaded a couple of designs a day until December. This was the period when I uploaded my last designs to my store and left Redbubble on Autopilot because my Etsy account was going well at the time and I wanted to focus only on Etsy. But this turned out to be a good experiment to see if I'm still able to earn passive income after 1 year of being inactive. Alright, let's see the analytics of my store. Remember, these are realistic and beginner-friendly results. Let's start with January 2023. I made €83 or $91, which is good for my first inactive month. February was better, with almost €100 or $108. In March, I hit 3 figures again with €120 or $132. And from now on we see a consistent pattern. In April, €96 or $106. In May, €73 or $80. In June, €133 or $147. In July, €118 or $130. In August, things started to blow up a bit. I got over €200 or $224. In September, things dropped again and I made €107 or $118. At least I'm getting consistently over $100. A slight improvement in October. I got €120 or $132. Now we have the good stuff. November was my best month yet. I made €326 or $360. And lastly, we have December. Well, we have a new best month. In December, I made €470 or $521. November and December were awesome because there was Black Friday in November and people buy gifts for Christmas and New Year's Eve. In total, in 1 year of selling on Redbubble, I made €1,950 or $2,160, which is almost an average of €160 or over $170 a month. The funny thing is that €400 came from only one design. One of 2,500 designs brought me 1/5 of my yearly income. Look at the difference. This is my second bestseller. I know that $170 a month is basically nothing, but since I did all the work, it's great to still earning without doing anything. Now the big question, is it worth it to sell on Redbubble? I answered this in the first Redbubble video, but I'm going to say it again. If you're a beginner and you've never made any money online, then I think you should give it a try. You're going to get a lot of experience. That's exactly what I did. And today I'm making passive income because of that. But if you do give it a try, you should at least upload 1,000 designs unless you're an amazing artist. Nobody is going to fund you with 20 designs. Don't even bother to open your shop if you're not willing to put in the effort. But 1,000 designs are still not enough. If your niche isn't the best, your designs will get lost in the last pages of the results. Pick a good niche, something that people like, with a fair number of results, not extremely saturated, and double down on the designs that you sell. Here's a tip. If you want to make passive income like me, Don't create designs based on trends, because the trend will die eventually and your designs will die as well. Create evergreen designs, which are designs that aren't affected by trends and seasons. They will sell throughout the year and you will end up with some passive income like me. Back to answering the question. If you sold before on another platform and made a fair amount of income, you shouldn't sell on Redbubble. It's better to invest your time and sell somewhere else like Etsy or Amazon, or even better if you make your own website. When I lost my first Etsy account, I still didn't get back to uploading on Redbubble because I knew that I had the experience to focus on something else that would make me more money. Overall, I'm super happy with my results. Honestly, I thought that my shop would die after I left it, but things turned out great and I'm really grateful for that. I know that in January my profit is going to drop a lot compared to November and December, but that's how things work. I'll probably won't make another video dedicated to Redbubble in 2024, but you never know.